Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Right now we will tell you important news about the Solana cryptocurrency. Here's when Cardano, ADA, will rival Solana, SOL, in performance, according to Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson. Cardano, ADA creator Charles Hoskinson is detailing a series of upcoming upgrades for the 9th largest crypto asset by market cap that he says will result in massive performance improvements. In a new video, Hoskinson says Cardano could achieve the same type of performance as Solana, SOL, and other smart contract-enabled blockchains later this year. This year all these updates are coming that are massively improving the scalability and expressiveness of the system, so that you will get the same type of performance you're seeing from systems like Solana and so forth. Or at least in the same orders of magnitude. Hoskinson says that some of Cardano's new features will go live in June and October this year. June and October are going to be great months for us because those are the months where we're turning a lot of new features on. According to the Cardano creator, ADA will be able to go toe-to-toe with competitors, while also offering a strong and committed community. Not only do you get all the security, the correctness, the resilience and a great 3 million person community, but you also get the best of what competitors are bringing to bear. Hoskinson also says that for the next 12 months, Cardano's biggest 3 priorities are achieving commercial comparability, sustainability and self-determination. In terms of commercial comparability, we focused an enormous amount of effort at the beginning of the project on correctness and scientific excellence, so we developed all of these protocols in terms of sustainability. You'd like a system that as it operates, gets more efficient, more scalable, and has the ability to grow at an organic pace. And the systems contain that same cost center and standard of performance that you come to know and love, and then self-determination, which is unique to Cardano and a few others like Tezos, XTZ, is we have a great governance layer. You hold data, you can vote. And you can participate in the governance of the system. So next news. Solana-based NFT platform Snowcrash partners with Sony Music and Universal Music Group. The partnership will allow the label's artists to release music and other digital assets on the Snowcrash platform, integrated as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Snowcrash is built on the Solana platform, which in turn uses proof of history to create an immutable ledger of events. This allows for the secure and transparent recording of music sales and distribution. The use of NFTs also makes it possible to track music ownership and royalty payments. This follows a similar move from another major label, Warner, which recently announced a deal with Splinterlands, a burgeoning blockchain gaming firm. With this new partnership, Snowcrash is positioning uses proof of history to create an immutable ledger of events. This allows for the secure and transparent recording of music sales and distribution. The use of NFTs also makes it possible to track music ownership and royalty payments. This follows a similar move from another major label, Warner, which recently announced a deal with Splinterlands, a burgeoning blockchain gaming firm. With this new partnership, Snowcrash is positioning itself to become a go-to platform for music distribution and monetization in the crypto and blockchain space. As the world's first fully web-scale blockchain, Solana's current iteration enables Snowcrash to deliver and process its users' needs in an efficient and optimized manner. The Solana blockchain itself, however, has been rife with issues and controversies, with its throughput becoming choked out due to massive demand, leading to a series of network outages. The partnership with Sony Music and Universal Music Group will showcase a couple of NFT collections that have so far been announced: Bob Dylan and Miles Davis NFT collections. These 2 new NFT collections will be released within the year, according to a press release from Snowcrash. According to Dennis Cooker, Sony Music's president of global digital business, they are already making plans that would help develop a range of opportunities for our recording artists with a focus on delivering accessible, user-friendly experiences for both creators and fans. Snow Crash is working with intellectual property holders, brands, and artists to create a slew of collections that include primary drops, limited editions, streaming rights, and digital goods. The platform was created by filmmaker Jesse Dillon, alongside DeFi, decentralized finance, and financial engineering pioneer Walter de Brouwer, as well as Jeff Rosen, a seasoned entertainment industry exec who has been president of the Bob Dylan Music Company since its inception 3 decades ago. With Snow Crash, we have found a perfect opportunity where the entertainment community, Silicon Valley and Wall Street all come together to create opportunities for artists and organizations impacting the world today. We have also launched a platform on the Solana blockchain, which is a much better choice for the environment de Brouwer shares. As a new Solana-based NFT marketplace, Snow Crash will be in direct competition against other established platforms on the Solana blockchain such Solanart and Solcia. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. Sol rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between